Welcome back, fellow seekers of online success. You're tuned in to Wealth Wizards, your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets of making money online. In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate treasure trove, the top ways to make money online. Whether you're a seasoned digital entrepreneur or just starting on your online wealth journey, we've got something for everyone. So, let's conjure up some online prosperity together. Part 1: Freelancing Freedom. Kicking off our list is the freelancing realm. If you possess skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or virtually anything else, freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer provide a fantastic stage for you to showcase your talents. Set your rates, market your skills, and let your expertise speak for itself. Part 2: E-commerce Enchantment. Next up, we have the enchanting world of e-commerce. Create your own online store through platforms like Shopify or Etsy, where you can sell products ranging from handcrafted goods to dropshipping wonders. The potential to reach a global audience and generate significant income is within your grasp. Part 3: Affiliate Alchemy. Ever heard of turning recommendations into riches? That's what affiliate marketing is all about. Partner with companies and promote their products through your unique affiliate links. When your audience makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win, and with strategic content creation, the possibilities are endless. Part 4: Captivating content creation. Content is king in the digital realm. Whether it's through blogging, vlogging, or podcasting, creating valuable and engaging content can lead to multiple revenue streams. From ad revenue and sponsorships to selling your own courses or products, your content can be a powerful money-making machine. Part 5: Dazzling digital products. Why not turn your expertise into downloadable gold? Digital products like ebooks, online courses, and printables are in high demand. Share your knowledge and passion with the world while earning passive income. Platforms like Teachable and Gumroad can help you package and sell your creations. Part 6: Stock market sorcery. If you're up for a financial adventure, consider diving into the world of stock trading and investing. Platforms like Robinhood and eToro make it accessible for beginners to invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and more. Remember, though, that this path requires careful research and a long-term approach. Part 7: YouTube Wizardry. Hey, you're watching a YouTube video right now, and guess what? You could be creating content just like this and earning through ad revenue, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. Find your niche, be consistent, and connect with your audience. Your YouTube journey might just become your new career. Conclusion. And there you have it, fellow wealth wizards. These are just a few of the top ways to make money online, each offering unique opportunities and potential for financial freedom. The digital realm is your playground, so choose the path that resonates with you and embark on your journey to prosperity. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our Wealth Wizards channel for more magical insights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a wealth-building revelation. Until next time, keep conjuring those online riches and see you in the next enchanting video.